I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start here, confirm you're signed into the exact Google account that held the backup, because recovery only accesses that account's data. Next, open Google Photos, tap Library, then Trash. Any photo deleted within 60 days is recoverable there. If you find items, select and choose Restore. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection and enough battery, or is plugged in so the restore completes without interruption. Once trash is empty or items are missing, export everything with Google Takeout. Choose Google Photos, select desired albums, and request an export. You'll get a downloadable archive that may include missing originals. Meanwhile, inspect your device's DSIM and Pictures folders and the Photos app cache for local copies. These sometimes survive deletion. After retrieving files, re-enable backup and sync in Photos settings. You finish by restoring exported files back to your device and verifying them in Google Photos. Copy originals into DSIM or Pictures so the app indexes them. If items were permanently deleted beyond 60 days, contact Google support immediately and provide account and export details. Time matters. If images don't appear, clear the Photos app cache, update the app, or try signing in on the web in an incognito window to force a fresh view. These steps often resolve sync and display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.